everybody. My name is Miriam Mboya and I am running for King County Council District 2.
King County is the largest county in the state of Washington and one of the most economically important counties in the United States, located in western Washington state with a population of 2.3 million people. By the virtue of being an economic hub, King County stands at a defining moment. We all know that community is not built by promises. It is built by people who listen, who care, and who have the courage to act. Families deserve to feel safe. Every child deserves an opportunity to dream. Every senior deserves dignity. Every neighborhood deserves a leader who shows up, not just during elections, but every single day. And that leader is none other than Miriam Mboya, a new voice, a trusted advocate, a woman whose leadership is shaped by real-life experience, compassion, and an unwavering commitment to serving every resident of King County District 2.
Hey everybody, Miriam Mboya here. I am so excited. We are canvassing. We got 1 month to go. Right now, I know everybody's feeling the pain of the taxes that we are paying. They keep increasing and increasing. We are not seeing a difference, and we need to be able to see that difference. Some of you guys are experiencing gentrification. You're having to move to different neighborhoods because you cannot no longer afford to live in neighborhoods where you grew up in, where your grandparents live, where you were raised, and we want to change that.
Miriam Mboya is ready to tackle homelessness with compassion and accountability.
And we're able to increase affordable housing stock in these neighborhoods where when you were raised by your parents, you're able to raise your children there too, and be able to have a generation that is able to exist within the neighborhood that they love.
Strengthen public safety through trusted community partnership. Invest in programs that prevent gun violence before it starts. Expand affordable housing so working families and seniors can live with dignity and protect the rights of immigrants, ensuring every voice matters and every resident belongs. This campaign isn't about politics, it is about people. It is about restoring hope, creating opportunities, and building a future where every neighborhood can flourish. Leadership isn't about empty words. It is about action. It is about service. It is about delivering results that improve lives. This election, let your voice shape the future. Choose hope over division. Choose solutions over excuses. Choose a leader who will fight for every family, every neighborhood, and every generation. Vote Miriam Mboya for King County Council District 2. Together, let's build a stronger, safer, and united King County with Miriam Mboya at the helm. Miriam Mboya for King County Council District 2.
And that's why I'm inviting each and every single one of you guys for us to hold hands. We have to take the government to us. It belongs to us. We are government. And one of the things we're doing as we're canvassing, it's a super simple process. We have this app Minivan, and you just go into Minivan. We give you the list of address. You click the address. You're able to get the directions, and it takes you exactly to the voter.
Hi everyone, this is Team Miriam Mboya. We are vying. We are voting her for District 2. So anywhere you see this flyer, please give it out because this is the best.
The best man.
Yes. So District 2. Make sure you vote for her. Thank you so much.
Mboya, District 2.
King County.
King County.
King County.
And also donate for the campaign.
Hey.
Miriam.